Let's get to the first part of the video, which is the unboxing of the Ostand ring by Torras. Use it on the iPhone and Android. Has a little silicone phone holder and grip. One thing, even before we get to the unboxing, that you need to know is if you like it, and you need to watch this video to the end because it's going to give you some surprises, but if you like it, you need to order it early. And why I'm searching here on the back is just to find out where it's made and to eventually find out made in China. Okay, let's go ahead and get it open. It's available in silicone and also some type of braided fabric. You use it on the iPhone and the Android. So let's take a look. It's very nice. Okay, there we go. Let's get that out. I needed something that would hold my phone when I do a lot of floor sleeping. So I needed something that would hold on to my phone and allow me to set it up. So there's the magnet. And let's see. And then if I had, okay, I think this is for, if I didn't have a magnet, this gives me the magnet if I didn't have one. That's nice of them, because I guess some phones do not have the MagSafe. And gives you a kit guide also. Pretty easy. Just goes on the back of the phone. And then if you don't have the magnet, that's it. Silicone, magnet, and I think, I'm hoping, let's see if it's only can work vertically, we'll see. Okay, so I've had the Ostand ring by Torras on my phone for almost 3 months now. So you get the unboxing and you get the 3-month after review, which is pretty good. It's got a great magnet, incredible magnet. Stays on really well. It's only dropped off once or twice. Has this little strap, which is really nice. So if I want to like hold the phone, I can grab it in my hand like that and hold it. If I want to walk it around, I can do that, which is really nice. And the reason I got this is because I wanted to have, if I'm watching a movie, I wanted to lean it down like that and just have something where it would lean it down and have something where it would stand up horizontally, or if I wanted to stand it up vertically, I could turn this and stand it up vertically to watch something in like portrait. The problem that I have with the stand, it's really good, and yeah, it'll work like this. So if I want to use it horizontally, but say I wanted to stand the phone up. Say I wanted to stand the phone up so I could use it in portrait. You see, it's not strong enough to do that. And even if I take it off, put it on the side, put it over here, it doesn't have the strength. It's gotten really weak over here over time. So it doesn't have the strength to do that. Now, I can always put it this way, and it's pretty good, and no problems. But any other way, this way, nope, or any other direction, and it's not going to do it for me. The other problem I have, and these are probably the 2 problems I have with it, this used to go flush there. It no longer is flush. It's just a little bit, couple millimeters up, and that shouldn't be a big deal, but when you're reaching around grabbing something out, you'd like for it to stick the way you got it, and it doesn't go all the way down as it did, and as you can see in the first part of the video. So comes down to, would I buy it again? Probably yes, I would buy it again, but I wish that they would make it so this part in here doesn't get so loose and remains strong, so that I could use it like that. I can use it like that, but if I change it that other direction, it will not. So hopefully this helps you. Thanks, like and subscribe.